If you are eager to succeed in dropshipping, the best way is to learn from others. In this video, we are going to look at the most successful dropshipping stores and find out what makes them successful. Stick around until the end. 10 successful Shopify dropshipping store examples for inspiration. Number 1. Pura Vida. Pura Vida is one of the most successful jewelry dropshipping stores. The store was founded by two Southern California friends, Griffin Thor and Paul Goodman, who took a college graduation trip down to Costa Rica. They bought 400 bracelets from local artisans and resold them at higher prices. Now Griffin and Paul team up with more artisans worldwide to create handcrafted bracelets in endless color combinations. They've partnered with over 200 charities and donated over $4 million. From Pura Vida, we can learn that it's important to build a brand and have a good brand story. Number 2. Inspire Uplift. Inspire Uplift is a great example of a general dropshipping store. It has changed its site builder from Shopify to Magento. They have been doing dropshipping for a long time. The website traffic is particularly high. As we can see, the website is popular among people between the ages of 18 to 44. Their social traffic is especially high, taking up over 20%. More specifically, most of the social traffic is from Pinterest and YouTube. They have many followers on these two platforms. The Pinterest posts are fun, and their YouTube shorts are video presenting a lot of creative gadgets. From Inspire Uplift, we can conclude that having a strong social presence is essential, and your content should engage your audience. Number 3. Best Choice Products. Compared with Inspire Uplift, Best Choice Product is a general dropshipping store that focuses on products at higher price points. The store showcases bestsellers from various categories. Their popular collections include outdoor furniture, pretend play sets, musical instruments, pet beds, and Christmas trees. As Halloween is coming, they feature related products on the homepage. What's more, judging from the number of reviews, we can know that they think highly of reviews. The Get Inspired section not only showcases social proof, but also allows customers to shop the look. Best Choice Products teaches us the importance of featuring bestsellers and social proof on the homepage. Number 4. Mellingtons. This is a niche dropshipping store that sells products for cats and cat owners. Mellingtons was inspired by their unconditional love for cats. The team has been part of an office cat foster program. Mellingtons attracts thousands of visitors per day. Over 50% of them are young people aged between 18 and 34. They have published a lot of blog articles that contribute to a large amount of organic traffic. For each collection, there is a detailed introduction, which is good for SEO. Follow their practices, you are sure to get a lot of free traffic. Number 5. Warmly. Warmly is a home decor niche dropshipping store that aims to help people upgrade their space. They promise 100% satisfaction. If a customer doesn't like the items, they can get a full refund. Similar to Inspire Uplift, they also have a strong presence on social media. Pinterest is their primary social media channel, which generates over 95% of their social traffic. They are good at using images and videos to promote their products on Pinterest. From this example, you must realize the importance of great visuals in your marketing. If you've just started, the following examples of Shopify stores might also inspire you. Number 6. House. House is a furniture dropshipping store. It is based in London. House offers a wide collection of contemporary furniture from over 80 brands. They not only source products from leading European design brands and internationally renowned designers, but also lesser-known pieces from smaller producers and independent designers. Its direct and search traffic are particularly high. Most of their search traffic is organic, which is owed to the unique product offerings. Number 7. Ring to Perfection. This is a jewelry dropshipping store with a subdomain store.ringtoperfection.com. By using a Shopify spy tool, Koala Inspector, we found that it dropships jewels from AliExpress. Similarly, the search traffic of the primary domain takes up over 70%. The traffic is generated by its blog articles. In comparison, the referral traffic of the subdomain is high enough. It turns out that many coupon codes are available on different coupon sites. Number 8. Bidet Genius. Bidet Genius is dedicated to dropshipping toilet covers from a variety of brands. You can find similar products on Amazon. SEMrush indicates that the business started from 2018. Its search traffic accounts for over 87%. Similarly, their blog posts bring them a large amount of free traffic. Number 9. Essentials. Essentials is the store dropshipping female apparel and accessories. Their organic traffic has been declining rapidly since 2021, probably due to the decrease in the number of products and collections. Nevertheless, we can still learn something from it. It has received over 5,800 verified reviews. Indeed, it's a good idea to display review badge in a prominent position. Essentials has a strong social media presence on Reddit, which indicates the importance of building a community around your products. Number 10. Mushe Socks. Mushe Socks is a one-product dropshipping store. It focuses on selling socks. Its traffic in August 2022 was much higher. Apart from direct and search traffic, its referral traffic is considerable. This is probably because they run giveaways regularly on social media and leverage the power of coupon sites. Certainly, you can follow suit. Guys, after looking at these Shopify dropshipping store examples, you've probably learned a lot. Don't forget to apply these strategies to be more successful. If you like our video, please give us a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay tuned with us. See you!